Oh, what the freak?
Turn around and die.
I got it. Oh. Are y'all ready?
No!
Too bad, you better be. Oh yeah. Find all 6 items, then go in the pentagram to banish cat back into the box. The cat will appear after finding the
Boring!
This is the layout. First of all, where are we at? You right here? Oh, I just hit something. I'm right there. That house right there. Car. What is that? It's like a snake or something? Freaking, what is this? This don't make sense. This does not make sense. Oh, it's a house. Oh god. Ah, he's coming. Oh god. Don't look. Don't look. Can I open this door? I can't open the door. I can't open the door. You made this house for nothing? Y'all made me excited. Oh. 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 I hear that. Listen, 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 listen. Do y'all hear that? Oh my god. Yo, this dude is slow. Oh god, don't look at him. Look how he walking. He not even trying. Who is this dude? Michael Myers? Bruh. Back up. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. What is that? What did I just find? What is it? Walking stick? I don't want a walking stick. What is that? What are we trying to find? I forgot. Oh my god. He got bodied. Oh my god, he got bodied. Didn't I see you earlier? Look at this. Look at this dude. Oh my god, this dude's crazy. I hear that. I hear that. Alright. Oh my god. He's coming. Look at this dude. Walking like a penguin.
Happy feet.
We lost him. We lost him. No, we didn't. No, we didn't. Oh, God. Oh, God. I'm not scared. I'm not scared. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. We got a car. Get away. What we found here? What is that? What is it? Give me a chick bone. Chicken bone. Chicken bone. Give me the Give me the chicken bone. Oh, Lord. He's too fast. He's too fast. No. No. Ring around. Hey. Please. Please. Look at this dude. Yeah. Look at you. Give me it. Oh. Yo. Yo. Why? Why'd you have to recommend this to me, Nicholas? Please! Please! Ah! We dipping. We dipping. I don't even remember which button I have to press. I don't remember which button I have to press to get it. Give me my crab. Give me... Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Uh-huh! Look at ya. He jealous. Oh my god. That was the creepiest thing ever. He's gonna turn into Usain Bolt. I swear to God, this dude's crazy. I swear to God. Oh my God. Oh. 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 Does this dude hear me? Oh. Huh. We almost done. Oh my god, how much things? 1, 2 more things. Oh, please! Ah! Ringer, oh, what the freak? Oh, I didn't see that. I didn't see you so close. Ah! Why? Wait. What did I just do? What the? I broke it. I broke the game. No. 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 Get a good jump scare. You scared, okay? This game is scaring me. I'm in a Christian household right now, so if you pull up at me, of Glocks, okay? How many things do we need? We got the red box. One right here. 2, 3, 4. I lost track. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. That's a lot of things. Are we gonna beat this game? Yes, we are! No! This is a nice little house. They don't even have real windows. What kind of bushes are these? I'm just gonna go to sleep. Just like this. Oh, that's something new. What did we get? What did we get? Save the Zumezaru. What is that? I need to find the crab. That's at the that's at the car where I started playing Ring Around the Rosie with this cat dude. Oh, what is that? That's something new. What? Don't tell me that's a pencil. Yo. Oh, that's a tail. Oh, we cut his tail off? Dang. Yo. Oh, God. He's getting closer. He's getting faster the moment we go. Looking for that car now. I hear him. I hear him. We're already over here. Okay, we get a look at what we found already. Open. Okay. No, we don't. No, we don't. I just wanted to... He's sprinting right now. Oh, no. Oh, no. Over here. Where's the trail? Oh, my God. Do we still have his tail? Bars.
Man, shut your...
Do not. He do not. Oh, my God. Where's it? Where's he coming from? Oh, Lord. Oh! Oh, God. No. No. No, please. Ah! He's catching up. Trim him up. Trim up. Oh. Oh. We're already over here. Oh, my God.
Turn around and die.
I got it. It's the worst jump scare ever. How is this thing behind me? I don't think I could beat this game. Yeah, I'm gonna call it here. Was cat. If y'all want to see me beat this game, which I can't. I mean, you pretty much have no luck, because I'm never gonna beat this game. Did you see that dude? Did you see him? He was coming for me. Literally. Okay. Goodbye, because I'm not playing this game ever again. Unless, I don't know, like, freaking 5 likes. Is that how desperate I am?
Yeah.
That's a lot to me. Don't y'all make fun of me. Okay? You probably all you get is like 1 like a video. So, we pretty much alike. Get it? You heard that? You... Okay. Goodbye. Thank you. I'm concentrating, say you love me, girl, you were playing none of this.